Good morning, Milano. We are at Speroni head office, and Miss Giovanna will be the guiding us what he produce and what he do in machine tool industry.
Hello everyone, welcome. Welcome to Speroni.
Please guide us about your product and this thing in machine tool industry.
Yes, absolutely. So we're now going to enter our facilities here in just 30 kilometers. Right, so everything is produced in-house. The machines, the structure, and also the software development is done here at our facilities.
Tell me more about your offices, where worldwide offices and your factory premises. So guide us your this factory premises, how you work here, and is there any Indian office or something like that?
Absolutely. So our facilities here were built in 1963, and the company was established in that year. We work a lot internationally. We are very strong exporters, and we have local support offices in India, in Pune, where Mr. Ravi is the general manager, and he can be your contact for any questions or any requirements for tool presetting and tool management.
Please come and guide the followers. What you
Yes, so we are large exporters of tool presetters in the US, in Japan, India, absolutely. For many years we've been working with our Indian colleagues. And initially Speroni was a subcontractor making assemblies for larger machine tool companies. And then in 1969, when in the market there was a need for when NC controls were introduced in the market in 1969, that's when the need for tool presetting machines began and started to grow. So Speroni saw the possibility of investing and creating a product that would satisfy the needs for manufacturers all over the world.
So we are followers. We are entering now in Speroni office, and she will guide you the more about his product and what he doing in this company.
Okay, so follow us. We're going to enter. This is our reception, and we are now going to walk into our showroom where you can see our range of tool presetters and our tool management software. So let's go in. Thank you. Right, so welcome to our showroom. We have a wide range of tool presetter units, starting from an entry-level unit called STP, which stands for Speroni Tool Presetter Essentia, which is our entry-level model. We have STP Magis, which caters to a greater possibility of configurations from manual machines to completely automatic machines. And STP Futura, our, let's say, top-range machine, which is our largest machine as well, and you can see over here. This model specifically can reach 1,200 millimeters by 1,200 millimeters in diameter and in height, measuring range, and it can open up possibilities for a variety of configurations based on the requirements for tool measurement of all of our customers. It's important to say that our machines can be used in sectors that are very wide and very different. For example, we are strong with the automotive industry. We also have many customers in the watchmaking industry. We have customers making aircrafts. We have customers making particular items that can be used in the medical industry. So we cater to a very large variety of sectors with our units.
Okay. Can you guide us more about your this all products? What you have exactly?
Yes.
What you are producing here?
Absolutely.
And how are your manufacturing facility here?
Okay. So over here is where we set up a let's say a simulation of how our tool management software Intelligo is set up. Intelligo is our solution to manage the tool resource in all its complexity and its entirety. From the warehouse management to the pre-setting, where we've integrated the STP Magis unit. Over here you can see, let's say, our mid-range presetter, to transferring the measurement data to the numeric control of the customer's machine tools in order to move on to the production and to have a full analysis of residual tool life and any necessities that can be related to your tools.
How could you achieve this brand image and recall, Speroni? How could you achieve this brand image, your Speroni brand image, and the recall?
Well, Speroni has been on the market for very many years and has always positioned itself as a high-quality brand. For us, it's very important to provide high-quality products that give quality to our final customers, in the sense that we want our measurements to be very accurate and repeatable, because that is what gives good results for production. So we've always tried to place ourselves at a high level, a high-end product, because we value very much the quality of materials, of components, and of our manufacturing overall in general, which is all done in-house, as I was telling you. So we follow every process of the development of the product. We have large offices dedicated to research and development, because we really value the aspect of being a high-end and top-end in terms of technology and research.
Could you tell us more about your production facility and manufacturing, if you have right now, and can we visit that production facility right now?
Right now we can't visit it, but I can tell you that everything here is done in-house, from the smallest components to the complete assembly of the machine. We want to have as much production as possible in-house. We don't consider ourselves an assembly company, because everything we need to make our machines is done here.
Okay. Can you guide us more about Indian, your office? Who is the concerned person?
Yes, so the general manager of Speroni India is Mr. Ravindra Amulya, and he is located with our offices and showroom in Pune, India. And we've been collaborating with them for many years now, and they are going to be your main contact and support on the local Indian market.
Had you heard about our magazine Machine Tool World?
Yes. Absolutely. We are very happy to have you here also. It's a great opportunity to show you who we are and to show what we do. And so we're very happy to have the Machine Tools World here represented by you.
Yeah. Thank you.